Welcome everybody. This is a day trading options daily review for August 19th, 2015. We're doing this a few days afterwards just to have transparency. And the reason that I'm really bringing this up is the fact that the Chinese stock market crashed, pulled down pretty much all the other markets, and we had a very, very strong bear move. The result of this was some amazing opportunities. In fact, one of our students, and we have an interview with him on another YouTube video, made $45,000 taking advantage of the crash. And needless to say, he was a little concerned before he made the money, and then after he made the money, he was doing a little dance. So you can't hit the home runs if you're not playing the game. And he'd only been trading options for a very, very short period of time, been trading stocks for decades, but had only moved to options in the last, I don't even know if it was a month, maybe a month and a half, 2 months. I forgot to ask him that question. So what we want to do in the next set of videos is go through the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the following Monday, which of course had a huge gap down and then a bounce back. So you had to get, have the right options at the right time to make that 45,000, and certainly a little bit different than what we teach, but the opportunity is there. Once you understand how the game is played, you're able to bend the rules a little bit. So with that, Stephen, I'll turn it over to you, and let's take a look at some trades that happened on Wednesday before the big crash.
All right, thanks, Scott. Unfortunately, I missed out on all of this awesome opportunity and just got back into it today due to some technical hardware issues. But it's an amazing thing to see that somebody can pull that much money out of the market in just a few days. And another thing that I'll say too is, with these strategies, you're going to learn how to be there and take advantage of almost every opportunity that you're able to sit in front of the computer with these strategies that we use. So let's get started. This is the day before, I think, the big crash happened on Thursday or Friday. This is Wednesday. And as you can see, I fast forward. The morning was kind of up and down. Let me move this out of the way so you can see the basket. So there's not a whole lot going on this morning. Kind of just moving sideways, and then into lunchtime, maybe a little bit of a red trend, but nothing too impressive. Kind of like a normal sideways down type of day. Nothing really trending that much. At lunchtime, 12 o'clock, right about here, starts trending green, and then it reaches the opening price for the day. So this is a significant thing for Cornerstone, and the reason why is because we deal a lot with different types of resistance, trading windows, and all these things, and all these different indicators that have to align that are highlighted by group 1, 2, and 3. And what we have here is a clear case where Google, G-O-O-G-L, it has shown that it is a good candidate for a Cornerstone trade. And what we'll be looking for right here specifically, let me enlarge this, is a breakout, which just happened. So we got this little breakout above the high, so it's the highest point during the day it's already been. We have a lot of volume, so group 1, group 2, and group 3 are satisfied. As you can see right here, we're going to go ahead and make the trade. Bring up my buy-sell button. Going to go ahead and make a call. Go forward 1 minute, 4%, 2 minutes, 7%. We got the blue star. We still don't have a reason to get out just yet. Well, I'm sorry, that's not 3 minutes. That's 6 minutes so far. We have 12%. At this point, you need to start looking for your exit. You've reached your 10%. I'm going to go ahead and see, just because we have really a lot of things going for us right now. We're going to go ahead and one more time. Okay, so it kind of topped out a little bit, and we're at 12%. I'm pretty happy with that. Go ahead and sell. And then let's just see, because we have a very clear market move right here, as indicated by the minute log, all these green bars, and the basket down here. Everything looks really good. Got the K-band, got your signal. Everything looks good to go. I bet there's some more stocks going off right now. We can just go ahead. Google kind of jumped. Google was much better of a choice because you have very consistent candles and a lot of volume. As you can see here, it's a little inconsistent and it jumps above a previous high. So it's a little bit more risky. What happened to Baidu? Nothing. Priceline, kind of been following the market trend all day. Not really a trade right there. Let's see. Yeah, so looks like we got the best one. And what is the, all right, there we go. It is the highest one on the list at the time. So there are other opportunities that you could have done, but we made the smart choice, got out with 12% for today.
Wonderful. Thanks, Stephen. So that's it for today. We're going to, or for Wednesday, the, what was that, the 19th. We're going to be looking at the 20th in our next video in this series. Make sure that you click the little subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner so you don't miss any of these episodes that we put out for you. Our goal is to show you that pretty much every day in the market you can make a trade 10% in 10 minutes. And this trade was 12% in, I think, 6 minutes. And sometimes, as is what's going to happen in the next couple of 3 videos, there's an opportunity to make a small fortune. So stay tuned for that. If you want to know how this works, if you want to have an opportunity to try the program out for free for a month, just go into the description. We've got links to our 3, our 3 stock option courses. One, just what are options? How does that whole thing work? And then the next one is how does the software work and a strategy. And then Cornerstone is the 3rd one. It's the advanced one where you can really take advantage of all the programming that Alan has put into the Ways of Profit software. So you take the courses, you try out the program, and then upgrade from there at waysofprofit.com. So we look forward to working with you, and happy trading, everybody.